Welcome back. Let's finish cleaning up some more of this mess. I've had people ask me about these. This white one turns on and off my vacuum, which is connected to my dust collection for my sander and all my other tools. I also have the remote that goes with it. I just got it on Amazon. I'll look to see if it's still available in my Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. This yellow one here comes on at 38 degrees. This plug plugs into my light bulb that goes into my glue cabinet, which is in here. Let me show you. So as you can see, I've insulated these two shelves. So this covers these two. This covers these two when they're closed. There's insulation here. There's insulation here on the sides and in the back. Here's the light. I put a 40-watt appliance bulb in here. Like I said, it turns on at 38 degrees, so it keeps all my paints and my glues and all my things from freezing. Because I live in New Hampshire and it gets cold here. So that's the information on that. All right, I think I'm at the end of what I can do for cleaning right now. Let me turn the camera around. I'll show you what I got done. Yeah, I like to stand way back. Look at this. All right, so this is all condensed. This This cabinet is leaving tomorrow. Obviously, I have to empty the trash. That one I'm going to post when this one leaves. These I'm giving away free on Marketplace. This I'm giving away free. That I'm going to list. This is going to go on my farmer's porch. These are going for free. That beadboard is all wrecked. It's going in the trash. That's going to cover my lawnmower. These I'm going to cut them down and put them on my farmer's porch. I have 2 shorter ones, 2 larger ones. And I'm going to do a project with this beautiful mirror, so stay tuned with that. Look at this over here. It looks fantastic. Here's a sneak peek of what I'm doing next. Thanks for coming along, guys. My shop is feeling so much better, nice and open. God bless all you. I love you guys watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Stay tuned for some more projects. And yeah, Happy New Year, guys.